Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to see how you can import a fully designed website template and turn it into your own LMS site. I'll show you the whole process, step by step. Before we start, one important thing. If you already have courses, lessons, or pages on your site, take a backup first. Importing a starter template can overwrite your existing pages, so it's always safer to have a backup. All right, let's begin. First, go to Appearance and then Themes. I'm installing the Kadence theme and activating it. After that, we need the Kadence Starter Templates plugin, so install and activate it as well. Once it's activated, you'll see a new option called Starter Templates. Open it, and now you'll see tons of ready-made website designs. You can filter templates based on the type of website you want. For example, if I want to create a workout or fitness LMS site, I can select one from the Courses category. And of course, make sure you choose a free template if you're only using the free version. Let me pick a workout template. Before importing, you can adjust theme colors, global fonts, and choose whether you want a partial import or a full import. I'll do a full import so I get everything properly set up. Select the recommended plugins, click Import, and wait for around 2 minutes. Once it's done, the entire site is ready. Let's open the home page and take a look. You'll notice the logo might look broken or mismatched, so we'll fix that later. First, click Edit Page. Kadence uses block editor sections, so you can change text, images, headings, and everything else directly on the page. For example, if this were a language learning site, I could simply change the hero title to Learn English for Beginners. On the sidebar, you can also change background images, overlay colors, and styling for each section. If you scroll down, you'll find a course grid block. You can customize it completely. Show all courses, only enrolled courses, filter by categories, show only free courses. Once you save the page, these changes update instantly on the front end. Now let's fix the logo. Go to Appearance and then Customize. Open the header settings, and you'll see an option to upload your logo. I'll upload my previous logo, crop it, and publish. Refresh the home page, and the new logo will appear correctly. You can repeat the same process for other pages. For example, on the Services page or Courses page, you can edit the layout, change course grid settings, reorder items, switch images, and customize text. On the Contact page, you can update your email, phone, address, and form fields. By doing this, you've now created a fully functional LMS website using Kadence and LearnDash. You can delete the demo courses and create your own based on what we learned in previous videos. For graphics and images, you can check royalty-free stock image sites so your website looks a bit more unique. And that's it for today, guys. Your LMS site is fully set up and ready. This completes our beginner series. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or email us at TeknoFlair. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.